Gotta catch those guys. We gotta catch them while they sleeping, yeah. Gotta catch them while they sleeping. What you doing? Come on. Tomorrow's cleanup day. Pick up all the mess. Yeah, man. Yeah, y'all's food's out and y'all don't even know it. That's how we do it, yo. Go on, you got pee-pee poo-poo, go on. Hurry up, go. You're gonna go pee-pee poo-poo. What the hell are you looking at, turkey? Make you gobble gobble. Make you shaky shaky. Make you gobble gobble. Make you shaky shaky. Come on, Belly. Uh-oh. Everybody's awake. Great. Hope they don't find the food. Hurry up, Juju. There, go back to sleep. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Come on, Juju. Pee-pee, Belly. Go pee-pee, poo-poo. Do, Belly. Here you go back in. Right. Here you go, potty. Right. Come on, Juju. Junior Gotti. Up now. Go. See if I can get him to flavor it. Yeah, I don't know where my squirt where's my noodle. Dude, how did you didn't get my turkey? Damn it. He had to. Good up, really, dude. Junior Gotti! Get your butt up! Now! What he did was he retraced all my steps. Because that's what he does when he ain't invited. He goes and finds out where I went and what I did. Because that's just the type of guy he is. He wants to know what he missed out on.